In this video, we are going to discuss about another transmission media, which is the coaxial cable. Let's see what a coaxial cable is. These are again copper wires, but they have a better shielding than the twisted pair cables that we studied earlier. They can transmit signals that travel for longer distances at higher speeds. These are generally used for cable TV connections and small LANs. Now let's see why they offer better shielding. Let's look at how this cable is constructed. As you can see, at the center is the copper wire, and it is a stiff copper wire because thin copper wires can break easily. This stiff copper wire is covered by an insulator or a dielectric. So what this does, this prevents the signal from escaping out into the atmosphere. Over this is a mesh, which is again made of a conducting material, and this whole thing is put inside an outer jacket. So this whole combination of an conductor, then insulator, then again conductor and then insulator makes this coaxial cable very sturdy. It enables it to transmit data for longer distances as also at higher speeds. So what are the advantages of coaxial cables? They provide excellent noise immunity. We just saw that they have multiple layers of shielding, so they have excellent noise immunity. The signals can travel longer distances at higher speeds, up to 2 gigabits per second. They can be again used for both analog and digital signals because that is the property of copper wires. They are very easy to install and maintain. They are more expensive than the twisted pair cables, but they are less expensive than optical fiber cables, which we are going to cover later in the module. So now first see what are the disadvantages of coaxial cables. They are expensive, and the second thing is they are not compatible with twisted pair cables. So if I want to lay down a network which is a combination of coaxial and twisted pair, then that is simply not possible. So that is a major disadvantage, as we discussed in the previous video, that twisted pair cables are still the most popular mode of transmission media. So in this video, we have covered the coaxial cable as transmission media. In our next video, we are going to talk about fiber optic cables.